I'm Greg Grunau, Product Manager for Camo Fasteners. Today I want to introduce you to the Camo Lever tool. It is both a board bender and a board locking tool and is intended to help you install treated lumber that's warped and needs to be pushed into position for fastening, or line up rows of decking with our Camo clip for clip installation. You can use it on single joists, double joists, and even metal joists, and I think you're going to find it's an indispensable tool for your decking installation. Pull your tool out of the box. Just a real easy setup before you can begin to do work with the Camo lever. Inside this bag there's an Allen wrench and a bolt. Take those out. On the bottom of the cam of the tool there's a little hole. That's where the bolt goes. You're going to align that hole with a hole on the handle just to lock it in place. You're going to screw that into position and then you're going to tighten it down with your Allen wrench. Once you've done that, you're ready to get to work. Alright, so you've got your Camo lever assembled. Let's take a look at the components of the tool and how to set them up so that you're ready to do work on your project. Out of the box, the tool has a stop block for the joist that's set to single joist setting. You'll notice on the top of the tool that there's multiple settings, and on the bottom of the tool you can see multiple pin placement holes where you can adjust this tool out, single joist out to double joist. And you'll notice on the tool there's also a serrated edge for the wood side. If you're doing a metal joist, it allows you to spin that stop block around and use a smooth side for the metal joist so that you don't damage the metal substructure. I'm going to be doing a single wood joist, so I'm going to set it up that way. We're just going to push that up to the single joist spacing and go ahead and tighten it back down from the top by turning the knob. Let's take it to the deck and see how it works. All right, here we are at our deck, and you can see we've progressed with the installation to the point where we now have a board that's partially installed, but you can see where the warping of the board is causing us an issue. I can't manually push this into position and fasten this board. The board's just too strong. So I'm going to take my lever tool, put it in position on the joist next to the board, tighten my spindle so that it's locked onto the joist, and then I'm simply going to just push that lever. I can now go back and fasten my board down joist after joist with one setting of the tool and continue on with my install really easily. Here we are at a group board deck install. You can see I've got about 50 square feet of decking laid out and ready to be fastened with the edge clip. I've employed a couple other lever tools already to help lock the boards in position for fastening. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's as simple as setting the lever tool over the joist, tighten the spindle lock, turn your board cam into the board, and lock them into position. Now I'm ready to fasten all my boards down. Simple as that. There you have it, the Camo lever, the one-turn tool to get your job done easier and faster and ultimately build a better deck.